Hi there, welcome to Neppy Invest. One of my favorite types of announcement is any sort of trading update, particularly if it's a profit, downgrade, or better yet, much better yet, in fact, upgrade. I absolutely love profit upgrades because that means the company is performing better than what the management anticipated. And particularly if a company can release a few profit upgrades in a row, that is really good for any shareholders. And if I do see a profit upgrade, and particularly if the share price breaks out, I will take advantage of that quite often. Now, even though I'm talking about profit upgrades right now, Motorcycle Holdings did not release a profit upgrade. On the 21st of December, this company released an underlying EBITDA guidance announcement. So whenever I see that type of announcement, I'm going to open it up. And this does look quite weak. So I wouldn't necessarily say this is a profit downgrade because I did go to the company's AGM and I did not see any guidance from the company in the AGM. Sometimes companies will give some guidance at the AGM, and the AGM was on the 28th of November. I can see financial year 23 results, revenue 580 million, profit of 23 million, underlying EBITDA 55.3 million. So that's very important. So let's have a look at this particular underlying EBITDA guidance announcement. We now compare the number they give to the full year number for financial year 23. And just the wording they did use in this is fairly weak. I don't say weak wording, but they're talking about a weak economy, that sort of thing. So the underlying EBITDA number they're expecting is between 14 and 16 million. So that's the first 6 months of the financial year. And last year, the first 6 months, they had an EBITDA of 18.1 million. So EBITDA or underlying EBITDA is going backwards for this company. And then they give some reasoning behind this. And it's all our faults, of course, because we're not buying what they're selling. Wholesale sales of farm vehicles, ATVs, and side-by-sides are slowing with increased competition. So it's not only our fault, it's other people's fault for increasing the competition. Stop opening up stores that are in competition with them. So with increased competitions as stock levels for all distributors normalize, the competitive environment is putting pressure on margins. That is a sentence I don't like to hear. I always, not always, but a lot of times I do focus on margins, and I want to see margins going up. If not going up, at least remaining stable. While retail unit sales of new motorcycles remain strong, wider economic conditions are driving margin pressures affecting all areas of the business. So just based off what I read here, just based off the underlying EBITDA expected to be lower than last year or the previous corresponding period, I would have expected share price to be absolutely hammered. Was it hammered? So let's have a look at the chart. Here is the chart for Motorcycle, what's it called? Motorcycle Holdings. And interesting enough, the share price did fall a fair bit on pretty big volume. So it's about 20, was it 24%? 24.7% down. That was on the 21st, and another 1.6% down on the 22nd. But you notice the share price was on a really big run before that. So this was a potential breakout. I'm not sure why. And this is sometimes why I think it's better to buy into a breakout on positive financial news, because the share price was running up on no news at all from the company. In fact, the market was expecting possibly a profit upgrade from the company, not a downgrade. And now the share price has fallen from a high during that run of the share price of $2.50 down to current share price of $1.86. So if you just look at the daily chart here, share price was in a downtrend for a while, hit a low of about $1.38 back in June of this year, and has been on a nice rally. So maybe the market's getting a little bit too ahead of itself when it comes to Motorcycle Holdings. So not the best of announcements from the company, even though the share price has fallen about 26% or so. Just the negative wording, the negative or the pressure on lower margins. I'm going to, not even think about taking position in this company at this point in time. So that's all I got for this video. If you have any questions on Motorcycle Holdings, just leave in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I am not a financial advisor. If you do need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who's qualified and can speak to your own financial needs.